Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, as part of the previous session, we have executed the reports, created a lot of scenarios on a login flow. We have went through all the 8 different steps. What I'm gonna do right now is, uh, you know, this login page test. I'm deleting this chunk which is not necessary. So what I'm gonna do right now is from a source demo application, we were logged into an application right now. So now I wanna perform a logout operation. Okay, I wanna perform a logout operation from the side menu, click on a logout, perform the logout. After login, this screen itself is a home screen. So here I'm gonna create a new Python file home page. Okay, a new Python file home page. Okay, and on which I want to define my class and as well as an import. So here class home page. In this particular home page, again, I want to define a constructor that gets my driver instance. I have a defined it. And later, I want to define my locator. Okay, I want to define my locator, the side menu, which is already there that we have a user there. Okay, and I want to remove this side menu is displayed from the previous program. We have a side menu. On top of that particular side menu, I want to click on a logout button. Inspect this logout and it does has an ID property. So come back here, self dot logout button is equal to I have a logout. Now def logout. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, def logout from application. I just want to do a logout from that particular application. So what you need to do, this is the command. So here, update this particular command. I want to click on a side menu. And again, I want to click on a logout button. That's it. I want to click on a side menu. I want to click on a logout button. If you come back to your test, basically, you were just calling the logout test, right? You were just calling the logout test. Here, what I'm gonna do right now, I just wanna call my home page test as well in the same flow. Okay, I just wanna call my home page test here. Okay, so let us see how exactly we can call this particular home page and let's execute it. Just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Now, guys, sorry, I'm back. So here, once we are done up to this particular point, the next step that we need to do here is, so once we are done with this particular login page, it does has a test that performs the login operation. So now I need to create a test for logout app. Okay, I just need to create a test to perform this logout operation, wherein which I was just using this particular self and here the few lines of a code those are common, which is a driver is equal to self dot driver print logout logic and print login logic, and here HP home page instance I'm creating. Okay, now HP dot logout from the application that I have defined, and for this try I was just using this particular expect and the same set of commands that I have kept here as well. Okay, the same set of commands that I have kept here as well. That's it, as simple as it is, guys. Okay, good, done the deal. So this is all about how we are defining this particular function. Okay, so this is all about how exactly we are defining this particular chunk. Okay, perfectly all right. So what are we gonna do right now is, okay, so what are we gonna do right now is, so let me try to place this home page logic here. Okay, let me try to place this home page logic here just below this particular function. We have all these information, the login page, home page, and the script should work. So I'm using the clear logger and I would just want to execute this script. And prior executing this particular test script, right, wherever the driver instance is there, here driver dot I want to maximize the window. Let me save it. For almost all the execution, the script isn't in a maximize mode. I just want to maximize my script. So it logged into the application. It is waiting for some time, and after that, it should click on the side menu and it should perform the logout operation as well. So let's wait for a second. I think we have given some wait times there. The script got a failed. Okay, capture the screenshot and the script got a failed. Let us see what is the reason behind the failure. In which test? This is the test that it got a failed. So earlier it was working. Okay, let us look into the error. Logout logic encountered. What is the issue that we have encountered? Two items and okay, so guys, the issue here that I have noticed is, if you see, basically, whenever you are creating an instance to the login page, you are passing the driver instance, which we didn't pass it to this particular home page. Okay, I'm assuming that might be the issue. The driver instance should be passed, then only it can recognize the driver and it can perform that further operations. So I passed that driver instance there right now. Let us see this time. Yeah, it logged out from the application. It just logged out from that application successfully. Okay, perfectly all right. It logged out. Okay, logout logic got executed, but the script it is showing as a failed. Okay, that's fine. Let us look at the report once. Why exactly we are getting this? So let us have a look into the report. I do see the logout functionality, but okay, so the test itself has a login. Okay, these are passed. Okay, the logout is passed. The report does has the old chunk that it is showing up here. See, basically the login and a logout were passed. Okay, perfectly all right. So it got executed successfully. For a better visibility, what I'm doing is, let me delete the content that we have in this. Okay, I just deleted the content that we have in an Allure reports. And right now, let me run this program. I was just executing this program, guys. Okay, let us try to execute. If you see from a functional perspective, it logged in. It's waiting for a second. It performed a logout operation. Let's come back here. Still, it's showing as a failed. That's the strange. Runtime error, no active exception to re-rise. Okay, so why this issue is we are getting the runtime error? Okay, self dot login page login failures. So from an logic side, the script is getting executed and the logic is being, the actions are being performed, but somehow there is an error. Okay, so let's connect back again. Login page line number 47. So it's rising down this exception, a runtime error. Okay, but why are we getting this error self-driver yield? Why are we getting this particular error? It's a strange thing. So here we don't have an yield, we don't have anything. The home page, it's executing. What we have as part of the logout, you have a side menu click and you have this. So there is a nothing related to your program, guys. Okay, so there is a nothing that it is related to the program. From a configuration side, it's getting the issue. Okay, self test cases login self, no active exception to re-rise. Okay, then why you are failing here? Why it is going into the expect? If there is a no exception, it's showing that there is no active exception. If there is no exception, okay, this print should go in this way. Okay, why we are getting these indentation issues here? Looks like the syntactical issues. The print, it is good. Okay, yeah, that's the issue, guys. So if you observe this line, uh, earlier, if you see, the print is as part of the expert, but these lines are not part of this particular expect. That's the issue. Okay, so now I just changed the indentation right now, and let me delete the existing reports. Okay, let me delete the existing reports and let me rerun the program now. Okay, I just want to rerun this program. So the issue is not from a script side that we have encountered earlier. The issue is something different. So let me run this program again. Of course, it's performing the login, and of course, it does the logout. As the indentation is not clear, right? It's throwing up that particular exception. It performed the logout, and see, now it doesn't failed here. Okay, now it doesn't failed here, and see, the two tests were passed. Okay, the two tests were passed. That's it. So I'm serving this particular report right now to look at that particular report, and the two tests were passed. So this is the way how exactly we can execute one scenario. In the next session, we will go with a full lengthy scenario, like adding a product to a cart, how exactly we are performing the further operations. Let us see in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.